welcome back to another Farm to School cooking video. I'm Rachel, this is my kitchen, and today we're going to be making apple crisp, which is a nice wintry dessert. So you're going to start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees, which I just did. And then you're going to wash, core, and cut up your apples. And I peeled mine because they were looking a little rough around the edges. So there's my apples. To those, then I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of sugar, which is to say 2 tablespoons of sugar. About 3/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon. And 2 tablespoons of flour. Okay, and then you're going to stir all of that around so that the fruit is evenly coated. Already smells good. Okay, that was easy. There's my coated fruit. So we're going to set that aside. And we're going to mix up our crisp topping. So first, in your new bowl, you're going to mix up 3/4 of a cup of oats. So 1, 2, 3/4 of a cup. 1/3 of a cup of flour. I forgot. Cup. So, a teaspoon of cinnamon. More cinnamon. And you could add a 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, which I'm going to do, if you have it. I'm just going to use my teaspoon measure and kind of estimate a 1/2. And then a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And when you measure brown sugar, you want to make sure that you pack it into your measuring cup, because that's the standard way to do it. So scoop it in, make sure it's flat. And then it makes kind of a little sand castle in your bowl. And about a 1/4 cup of softened or melted butter. And I have some butter here. I'm just gonna scrape the whole thing into this crisp. Okay. And then you can whisk that all together. Breaking up the butter. It all got stuck in my whisk. Cut this out. So that's all mixed up pretty well. I'm going to get my pan, which is over here. I'm going to start by pouring my apples in. Perfect fit. Kind of evening them out. Oh, missed a couple. And then I'm going to sprinkle my crisp topping on top. And this is a generous amount of topping. And that sorry, kind of on autopilot in the kitchen. And that is all that you have to do to make your crisp. And then you're gonna stick it in the oven for about 45 minutes, I think. But you want to be watching for the top to get crisp and the fruit to be bubbling and tender in the middle. So I'm gonna put it in my oven. And I'll see you back here in 45 minutes for a taste test. It's been almost an hour and my crisp is smelling and looking delicious. So I'm gonna carefully pull it out of the oven. And there it is, a beautiful apple crisp. Smells really good. Well, this is our last recipe kit for a while. So we hope you have a wonderful holiday break and we'll see you again sometime next year. Bye.